This will be the biggest World Cup ever organized in football history. Millions of fans will travel across 3 countries. Every moment will be full of excitement and emotion. Did you know? The opening match of the FIFA World Cup 2026 was played between Mexico and South Africa. For the first time ever, the tournament will be hosted by 3 countries: USA, Canada, and Mexico. Teams are divided into 12 groups of 4. Matches are played across 16 iconic host cities spanning the 3 North American countries. The United States hosts 78 games, including all quarterfinals, semifinals, and the final. Mexico and Canada host 13 games each.
Get you amazing facts about FIFA World Cup 2026.
It is the largest tournament in history, featuring an expanded 48-team format instead of 32. Stadiums will be upgraded with world-class facilities. Technology will play a major role in decision-making.
Referees will have more accurate tools than ever. Advanced VAR systems will ensure fair play.
FIFA 2026 will use advanced VAR and AI-supported technology for fair decisions. Non-transparent bags and reusable plastic water bottles are banned in stadium. So get ready for the most unforgettable FIFA World Cup 2026.